Welcome to our fourth video of Scottish country dancing, and this time, following up requests, we're going to show you how to link steps together. Feet in first position, look ahead. Ready, and I want you to notice that as we begin the skip change of step, there is a definite skip. So we get 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, skip 2, 3, skip 2, 3. Right, with the music. Ready, and 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, and skip, skip. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, skip, skip. When you begin the skip change of step from the pas de Basque, you must have a definite skip and you must not lean forward into the step. Otherwise, you will shorten your step and lose the flight. We're now going to show you how to link the pas de Basque to slip steps. We'll just mark it out first, nice and slowly. So, with the right foot, pas de Basque right, 2, 3, step, close with the left, and then move off to the left. Right, so you're nicely balanced after you step close to be able to move left. Right, let's just do that once again. If you'd like to just move back again, just to make it clear. So, pas de Basque right, ready, step, right, ready, and 1, 2, 3, step, close and slip, 2, 3, 4. Right, that's super. Now let's try it with some music.
Now the hard song as well.
Ready, and 1, 2, 3, step, close and slip, 2, 3, 4. Another way to do the same sort of idea of moving to the left, but as Miss Milligan used to say, you fiddle your feet. So let Patrick show you what I mean. We'd now like to show you Strathspey setting step into the travelling step. Now I'd like to show you advance and retire. It is 2 steps to advance and 2 to retire. And walk forward. I will show you from behind and advance, 2. like to show you our dance and retire in jig time. And please note that all of it is in skip change of step. And skip 2, 3, skip 2, 3, and skip 2, 3, and skip 2, 3, and skip 2, 3, and skip 2, 3. And the other way. And skip 2, 3, and skip 2, 3. I hope you find this video useful. Thank you for watching. I'd also like to thank our dancers, Keith and Patrick and Joanna, for the filming. Enjoy your dancing.